What's up guys, welcome back to the vlog. Today I just got a new part in. I wasn't even expecting it until a little after Christmas, but I got a little Christmas present. It's gonna transform my BRZ, I feel like. This new part, I haven't seen it on anybody's car in my area, in the Seattle area. I think they're only just a few months old. I got tipped off by my homie Thomas. What up, Thomas? He put me on to who was selling them. Shout out to Epic Lights. Bought them and they just arrived today. It's super windy, so I'm gonna pull my car in. Damn, I wonder if you can hear that. Anyway, and do the install right now. Also just got some new business cards in. I think you can see that. Double-sided. There we go. Some new business cards, you know. Actually haven't even looked at them yet. Don't eat this, kids. Brand new headlights. Corner light, whatever the hell this is called. There we are. So I'm basically halfway taking the bumper off because I'm a little lazy. So this one comes with everything that you need, plug and play. I just have to insert my bulb and then we're good. Looks like. All right. See if these work. Damn. That's fucking dope. Goddamn. Compared to the old. Whew. I'm in love. Shout out to Vland for these bad boys. So in the middle of the install for these new headlights, the power just went out. So yeah, it's a crazy storm. I mean, you guys saw or heard the wind earlier. So I guess some shit happened outside. Well, that's fucking obvious. So we're gonna keep pressing on. Where's my flashlight? Where is my super suit? Whoa! Lights just came back on. It's what time is it? 8:21. I'm not sure when the lights went out. Probably just around noon or so. Due to the high winds in this area. Got to slap on these and make sure everything works. So what it looks like you do is take off this little green piece and you clamp the green piece around the actual bulb. That was fun to figure out. Didn't know. These headlights didn't come with instructions. Shout out to China. Oh, there's a goddamn clip. And make sure it clips on that little edge. There's an edge inside there. Alright. They're fully functional. Alright. So that's the install. The headlights, the bulbs that I bought, they're a little more of a yellowish white. Gonna have to change those. I don't like those at all. I want them to kind of match everything I have here. which would be great. But for now, looks good. I'm gonna back this bad boy up. Look at that front mount intercooler. All right, so that was the install. Also, new hoodies out. I might be dropping these hoodies and the shirts sometime. I love the design. A friend of mine made it. Shout out to Reese. And yeah, let me know what you think of the new Vland headlights. Right now, I'm pretty much in love. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Catch you guys in the next one. Peace. Figured I would, before ending this vlog, definitely show you guys what it looks like during the daytime. Damn, low-key thought there was condensation inside. I was scared. It's crazy, you can see the LEDs inside of the turn signal. Alright. Now I'm gonna end this video. Alright guys, peace. In 5. Also, watch out for tornadoes. Why does it keep saying tornadoes? Also, just got the new, I almost said gift cards. You know, whatever. You know, radical, dude. Freaking, you know, bro. Gucci down, 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 down. Gucci down, 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 down. How the hell does this work? How the hell does this work? How the hell? It's my country voice, guys.